back in the spring, as first graders, we planted all these potatoes. And while you were off on summer vacation, and then while you've come back and you've started schoolwork again, the potatoes have been working hard. They've been actually growing into plants, and then those plants, in turn, are making more potatoes. One down.
Neat! That is huge!
And go ahead and gently put them into the container.
Look how small I got one.
Right, but I
Are we going in the right direction, Hannah?
as well.
I love potatoes.
We're going to give these potatoes to Miss Shirley so that she can take care of them. So we're going to gently.
Thank you very much for all your hard work. This is wonderful. We really do appreciate it.
Thank you all for helping out, and here's a big hand for you guys. Good job.
Can we say